Paying bills using Revolut is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, download the Revolut app. Sign up for free. Then, add money into your Revolut account by tapping up via your card or bank account. Next, choose your destination country and currency. Here, enter your recipient's details, such as their names and bank account numbers. So, confirm the payment, then send it instantly or schedule it for later. This is the way you can pay bills using Revolut. You can track your bill payments and other transactions in the transaction history section of the Revolut app. If you have bills that need to be paid regularly, you can set up recurring payments in the app. It will automate the payment process according to your specified schedule. You can also view and download statements, which can be useful for tracking your payment history and managing your finances.